What the fuck are you doing, dude? Dude, what are you doing? Hey, hey, Buckethead! Look at this, she doesn't fucking know.
I'll beat you on.
So that would be good.
Beep, beep, beep.
Come on, get on.
She's gonna pull you on the golf cart. Nobody cares anymore. Well, I got my insurance card.
I'll pull myself.
Where are you going? What are you doing? You can't get out of the fucking golf cart in the middle of the road. Hey, that's illegal. That is illegal. You cannot get out of the golf. Dude, you can't get out of the golf cart in the middle of the fucking road. What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, we're getting in trouble.
Yeah, well, yeah, you can't get out of the golf.
Oh, you're gonna kill me.
It's okay, you have a helmet on your head.
Don't even.
You got a coconut cracker on your head.
Coconut cracker.
Don't go that fast.
Not too fast.
Is that as fast as it goes?
No, she's going slow on purpose. Oh, fuck.
Hey, I'm surprised that tube hasn't
Oh
blocked.
my
Put
god.
Vaseline on it first.
Oh my god. I gotta do
Don't
this.
go to the top.
Alright. Alright, go. Easy. 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 What the fuck is wrong with me? Easy, easy. Go. Go. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Oh, he fell off. How do you fall off?
You're gonna lean back.
Leave it to you to fall off.
I have no idea. How the fuck?
What the fuck is this?
Yeah, you have to.
What the fuck is this?
Oh wow,
Dude.
that's a big tit, dude.
PJ.
That's my hat.
PJ.
Look, hey, look.
You gotta put your feet up.
I did.
No, you didn't even.
No, dude, you gotta put your feet up, hold on to the heels like this.
No, you know what? Fuck that shit, man.
Look,
I don't know what happened.
Look at this.
What do we go? We're good. Let's go. We're good. Move me up. Back up.
A little more. All right, good.
We go for a ride.
Hey, we already found some. You guys are fucked up, dude. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. What are you doing?
One of the ball spots.
Oh, wait. Go away, you.
That's my fucking wife right there. I love that.
You guys are fucking absolutely fucking insane. Dude, you guys are absolutely insane. You guys are insane. Absolutely insane. I can't do it. I jumped on. I was like, I fell off and I felt hurt. I got like rug burns and look at my hat. My hat's right here.
Dude, he was like this. Dude, Scott's like this on the surfboard. He's going like this.
Oh, chirping. I think you made it like 10 feet. Look at Hey, she's coming back. She's coming back.
He goes, with your hat. I was like, right here, under my shirt.
Hey, give her a rope. She's coming back. Watch out, she's coming back.
You didn't even land.
Dude, I know, I suck, dude. I suck. I can't do it. Look at it. How in the fuck did they do that? I don't get it.
Lean back.
I fell off. I did. I fell off. I don't understand what the. I don't get it. Wow, you people are evil.
I got you, babe.
Hi. Hey. The other girl goes by. She goes hi.
You're always around.
Look at these fools. Look at these fools.
Your hair is long. I don't care for you. I don't care for you.
Look at these guys. Look at these guys over here. Are you guys enjoying? Are you enjoying yourself? Huh? Are you enjoying yourself? You know what? That's all that matters right there. There you go. Hey. I got you, babe. I got you, babe. I got you, babe. That's right. Awesome.